Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here. Today I'm going to show you how to program a transponder key. This car that I'm in is a GMC Acadia. This will work for all similar models, everywhere from about '07 to mostly current vehicles. There may be a few in there that it may not work on, but this should work for you. Okay, so when I bought this car, I only have the one key here. So what you want to do is take the one key that you do have that works, put it in the ignition, turn it to the on position, and you want to wait until that security light just there goes away, like that. So you got it, it went off. Turn the car off, take the key out. Me personally, I set it on the passenger seat far away so that it's not sending a transponder signal to the ignition. Then you take a key that you bought off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for this if you have an Acadia. And I just had this cut, and I'm going to take that, put it in the ignition, do the same thing, turn it to the on position, wait for that security light to go away. Okay, it's gone away. Wait a few extra seconds, and then we turn the car off. Wait about 10 seconds here, just to let the car system memorize the transponder key signal. And then that should be enough time. We'll put the key that I just had cut, see no GMC markings, put it in the ignition, and the car started. There go the RPMs. No problem. Now I got another key I'm going to repeat the process with, but you get the idea. It's literally that simple. How to program a key fob for your GMC, Cadillac, Chevy cars. This should work for most vehicles from about the '07 to at least 2012, 2014 range. I'll put a list in the description. But so the first thing you want to do is turn your car, use a key, turn your car to the on position. In my Acadia, the buttons are here on the dash. You want to press this button, the information car button, and you want to scroll over. Now that's going to change your display wherever your display is, and you want to come to here. Press check mark to relearn remote key. You want to press the check mark. I'm not going to do it because I already programmed mine. You'll press the check mark. It'll say remote key learning activated. And then you want to take your new remote and you want to hold the, sorry, you're out of focus. You want to hold the lock and unlock buttons both down until you hear the car beep 3 times. It'll be a low beep. Once you enter the remote key learning, it's actually going to beep loudly 3 times to tell you that you're in key learn mode. And then once you enter key learn mode and you hold these down, you'll hear 3 softer beeps to tell you that that remote is programmed. So then you want to program another remote if you have it as well. And you want to program the existing remote that you may or may not have had. If you had one already, this wipes all the memory clear, so you have to reprogram the one that already worked for the vehicle, and you just do that the same way here. So alright guys, that's it. It's really simple. I just did it in about 30 seconds. I'm very happy. I'll put a link in the description below where you can find these remotes for most of the vehicles in question. Some models tend to vary, but I'm sure you'll be able to find yours easily. And yeah, if you like this information, go ahead and click subscribe. I appreciate it, guys. Matt from Just Wrench It. See you later.